Glass is actually a liquid, well, kind of. While we think of glass as a solid, it's technically an amorphous solid. This means that unlike regular solids like ice or metal, glass doesn't have a fixed internal structure. Over very long periods, glass can flow. That's why old cathedral windows are often thicker at the bottom. Gravity has caused the glass to slowly shift over hundreds of years. However, this process takes centuries, so modern glass doesn't show the same effect in day-to-day use. Glass is caught in a mysterious state between solid and liquid, defying our usual definitions. Ancient Egyptians were early glassmakers, but the Romans perfected it. Glassmaking dates back to around 3500 BC in ancient Egypt, where it was first used to make decorative beads and trinkets. The real game changer came around 50 BC with the Romans, who invented glassblowing. This technique allowed them to create larger, more intricate items like bowls, vases, and even glass windows. The glass-blowing revolution gave birth to mass production of glass, and for the first time it was accessible beyond royalty and the elite. This ancient craftsmanship is still used today, blending tradition with modern art. Bulletproof glass is a science of layers. Unlike what you might think, bulletproof glass isn't just one incredibly thick sheet of glass. It's actually made up of multiple layers of glass and polycarbonate, a plastic-like material. When a bullet strikes, the first layer absorbs the initial impact, while the polycarbonate layers prevent the bullet from penetrating through. What's even more fascinating is that the thickness and number of layers can be customized depending on the level of protection needed, from bank windows to personal vehicles. Each sheet is meticulously engineered to keep people safe while remaining completely transparent. Glass can be recycled infinitely without losing quality. One of the coolest things about glass is its ability to be recycled over and over again without any loss in its quality or durability. When you recycle a glass bottle, it can be melted down and reformed into a new product over and over. Recycling glass saves a ton of energy and resources. In fact, recycling one glass bottle can save enough energy to power a 100-watt light bulb for 4 hours. This endless recyclability makes glass one of the most sustainable materials on Earth, championing a future with less waste. Some glass forms naturally through the power of lightning. When lightning strikes sandy beaches, it creates a rare natural type of glass known as fulgurite. The intense heat from the lightning, reaching temperatures of around 30,000 Kelvin, melts the sand, which then cools into branching glass-like tubes. Fulgurite is highly prized by collectors for its unusual shapes and fascinating origin story, as each piece is formed by a single powerful lightning strike. These natural glass formations are not only scientifically interesting, but are believed to carry spiritual significance in some cultures, representing the raw energy of nature. Like and subscribe for more.